Okay, this is a bridge preparation. We're going to talk about the bridge now. First of all, let's talk about this crown. You see that it's over tapered. Okay, how do I know it's over tapered?
No, path of insertion.
Path of insertion. And also, you can see that there's one plane running from here down up to here. Okay, so it appears as it is over prepared. But look at the finish line. Do you have a shoulder finish line? Because this is a PFM bridge. Do you have any shoulder here? No. What are you going to do? You're going to bring the bear and reduce from the axial wall and make the shoulder more prominent. Once you do that, the taper here will be reduced. You will maintain this upper taper, but lower taper, it will be more upright, and it will be almost 90 degrees with the shoulder, so you will get a better wrap around the tooth and better resistance form. But this form, in terms of resistance, it's weak because the taper, okay?
Yes.
It doesn't have the taper. The chamfer, lingually, I don't see a very distinct chamfer. See, if I'm using this, my periodontal probe, I'm running down from the tooth to the root area. I don't feel a step. Now the technician, now everything will be in the same color when the technician pours it into dye material. It's blue or yellow or brown or whatever the dye color he has. But the idea, when all of this is one color, he will not know where to end his preparation. Okay, where to end his crown. Where is your preparation? So he would end the crown on it. So I don't have a definitive stop chamfer. If I would say this is a good chamfer, it's here. Okay, here I have a positive stop, but here it slips into the gingiva. I don't have a positive stop, so this is not sufficient as a chamfer. This was what we call, here you have it like the knife or the feather finish line, and here you have it a bit more, okay, beveled, but both of them are not correct for our material. The best is a positive stop with a chamfer or a deep chamfer, okay? So you have the deep chamfer here, you have the chamfer here, you have the bevel here, and you have the knife or the feather edge here. Okay, so you have all types of finish lines.
Yes.
The one is correct is here, okay?
Yes.
Second, the shoulder, as I told you, this is a good shoulder. It's a modified shoulder, radial shoulder, okay? And you have it here. You have it here, but where is it here?
Oh, you have to reduce it more.
You need more, and we prefer the radial shoulder.
Okay.
And then where is the resistance groove? For resistance,
Okay,
remember that we need to place a groove. Okay, either buccal or lingual. You have different references. Some books don't mention it. Some videos from universities, they say buccal and lingual for resistance form. Suppose this pontic is, we will have flexure towards the pontic to resist this. Okay, so make sure you place your grooves. You don't have grooves. Your preparation is smooth overall. I need more smoothness than this. You need to train yourself on the smoothness. The orientation of the occlusal surface is correct. Okay. The amount of reduction, I don't have the index with me now, but if you need to recheck the occlusal reduction in terms of index. Okay. Mesial reduction. Once more, I don't have a positive chamfer here. Okay, this is a good positive chamfer, but it should be lingually and proximally. Yes. Okay. Looking at the premolar, okay, you have the functional bevel. Yes, you have the functional bevel. It's in the same direction of the buccal cusp. This is the upper. So the buccal cusp is the non-functional. The same orientation of the bear, you have it correct, and you have a functional bevel here. So that's correct. But once more, the preparation from the lingual, from here up to here is one plane. You don't have two planes. Okay, but it will automatically be better when you do the wrap around here with the chamfer or a bit deep chamfer. Okay. Here the same thing. We don't have a positive stop for the chamfer. You have the functional bevel. You have the occlusal plane reductions. Maybe this is under reduced. I feel that's under reduced. Go and check with your index. Once more, you don't have a shoulder here. You don't have two planes. The roundation from the occlusal surface to the axial walls is good here because of the bevel, but here it's a bit sharp. Just round it. Here you have good roundation. All of this is a bit sharp on these areas, okay? So these are the points. You don't have any undercuts. This is a good point. Do you have a common path of insertion? If I'm looking at this vertically, okay, trying to get a view where I could see all of the finish line at once. Now I could see this finish line all in the camera. Looking at the camera, I'm trying to get a view where I see all of the finish line. Okay, you have a slight undercut probably here, okay? Because I want to see when I'm looking at the camera, I can see all of this finish line. I lost this finish
It
line.
is mesiolingually.
Okay?
Yes.
Mesio-palatal. Oh, mesio-palatal.
Yes.
Now, on the same direction, so I oriented the best finish line I could get. This is the most finish line I could get except this area. I go to the premolar now, looking from the same direction, I see that you have a lot of buccal undercut. Correct?
Okay.
I don't see the buccal undercut.
Yeah.
Okay, so I need to reduce more. So this will automatically happen when you do the second plane, because I told you this is one plane running from here up to here. So when you do the second plane, you will have reduced the undercut that you have buccally, and you also have slight undercut mesially, okay, compared with the molar. So once more, center the molar, there is an undercut here, and there is undercut here and here in the premolar. Okay?
Yes.
Thank you.